Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dhanesh here. So today I am going to discuss about a new topic, that is second order tensor multiplication. Second order tensor multiplication. So you may be familiar with these terms like scalar, vector, matrix, then tensor. See, all these things, first of all, I can tell you all these things are coming under the category tensor. Tensor means it's a container for data. That's the simplest explanation I can give you. Tensor, it's a container for data. Scalar means it is a zeroth order tensor. Zeroth order tensor is known as scalar. For example, 2 is a scalar, 4 is a scalar. That's all about scalar. Now, vector means it's a first order tensor. First order tensor means this is a vector. This is first order. This is a vector. Rows and columns. So this is a vector. So this is vector. Now matrix means it is a second order tensor. Vector is a first order tensor. Scalar is a zeroth order tensor. Matrix means, as you know, matrix will be second order. That means it would be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a two-dimensional. It is a, we can tell it as second order tensor. This is a matrix. So this is even you have n-dimensional. You can arrange the numbers in the three-dimensionally. You can arrange. You can another things. You can keep it like this. It will go like that. So that is another tensor. That is a three-dimensional tensor. So you understood what is a tensor. I am going to discuss about the second order tensor, that is the matrix multiplication here. So how do you multiply? This is the machine learning math we are discussing. So how do you multiply two matrices or two second order tensors? I am taking a simple one. This is 2, 3, 4, 5 into another one 4. I will take 4. I will take a smaller number, so it would be easy. Then again, you have 1, 2, 2, 1. So how do you multiply? First row you will multiply with the first column of the second matrix. So it would be like these two you will multiply. These two, then this you will multiply and add it. That means the first element of the product of this tensors is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2 is the first element. Then the next one you will get it as again 2 into first row and second column. So you will come to first row and second column. That means it is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Here again second row and first column. That means 4 into 1 plus 5 into 2. Again first row and second column. That means 4 into 2 plus 5 into 1. So this is the matrix. So what is 2 into 1? 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 2, that is 8. This is equal to 8. Then the next element 2 into 2 4. 4 plus 3 7. Then here it is 4 plus 10, that is 14. Here it is 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, it is 13. So this is the answer. So like this you can multiply. I will take another example. You need to understand. I have a matrix like this. This is the one. I have 1, 2, 1, Then next is 2 1 1. Another matrix is 1 2 1 3 2 1. See, this you need to understand. This is, see, you have to understand the concept of order of a matrix. See, order of a second order tensor. See, order we will tell in terms of the rows and columns. See, how many rows are there? 1 2. So 2 by how many columns? 2 by 3. This is the order of the first tensor. The next tensor, it should be how many rows? 3 rows. 3 rows. How many columns? 3 by 2. This is the order of the first tensor. This is the order of the second. Then 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. See, these two must be same. Then only you can multiply. See, here 3, here 3. The first one, it was a 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. We have already done on multiplication, right? So here, there also, see, these two are same. 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. 2 by 2 into 2 by 2. See, this 2 must be same. Again, you can multiply 3 by 3 and 3 by 3 because these two are same. So then only you can multiply. That means you cannot multiply a 2 by 3 matrix into, see, again, if you are, for example, I can tell you, you cannot multiply matrices like, so this is a 2 by 3 matrix, right? 2 by 3. Again, 2 by 3 you can't multiply because these two are different. See, this is 3 and this is 2. So that's very important. So that is the order of the matrix, and that is the process you follow in multiplication. Now I will multiply this. See, again, first row, first column. So it would be like 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So that is the matrix. So again, one more thing I will tell you. This is that I will tell you later. So this is the first element. Then the next one, first row, second column. That would be 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Again, you have 2 into, that is second row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Here you have first row, second column, that is 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now you can add it. So what is 1 into 1? 1. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5, 6. 6 is the first element. Here it would be 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 8. 8 is the element. Here 2, 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Here it is 6. 6 plus 2, 8, 9. So this is your final answer. So this is the answer. So you multiplied with this is a 2 by 3. See, 2 by 3 matrix with 3 by 2. Then you will get this 3 will be gone and you will get a 2 by 2. That is the way it will come. From the order, once again I will explain. You multiplied with a, this is a 2 by 3 matrix with a 3 by 2 matrix. Then this 3, it will be gone and you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. That's what we got, a 2 by 2 matrix. Row 2, column 2. If you are multiplying a 3 by 3 matrix with another 3 by 3 matrix, again this 3 will be gone and you will get a 3 by 3 matrix. If you are multiplying 2 by 2 with 2 by 2, the middle 2 and 2 will go and you will get a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is about second order tensor multiplication. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.